GEObox, the professional pellet storage system made by Geoplast, which will meet all of your requirements. Thanks to the assembly instructions, the GEObox can be easily put together in 1.5 to 3 hours. First, check that all the necessary parts have been delivered by comparing them with the assembly instructions. You'll need the following tools to assemble the system: a cordless screwdriver with bit and 13mm socket wrench, a spanner, Stanley knife and an Allen key. First of all, mount the Geoplast extraction system. There are different types of extraction unit depending on which kind of boiler the GEObox is to be connected to. Here you can see some examples. For the most common version, place the motor carefully on the gearbox and fix it with the enclosed screws. After having checked the parts and mounted the extraction system, prepare the stayers for the GEObox. Insert the first scrolling tube into a basic stayer and repeat this procedure another 3 times. These angle stayers can be optimally adjusted to room height. Check the base where the GEObox is to be mounted with the aid of a spirit level. It must be flat. Put the basic component with the gear in the middle. Make sure that it's positioned accurately in order to ensure free access to the extraction system. The next step involves fitting the cone parts and bolting them side by side. Make sure that the cone parts line up precisely with each other. For sizes 25 and 29, first fit the transverse joints and bolt them together. After that, bolt the 4 cone parts loosely to the transverse joints and mounting consoles. Now the middle stayers have to be mounted to the transverse joints with the aid of the mounting consoles, 4 times in all. Make sure that the open sides of the mounting consoles are facing inwards. Now place every prepared cone part on the extraction unit, one by one, and fix each one with the appropriate screws. After that, mount the angle stayers. Now attach all of the components side by side with the appropriate screws and tighten all of the screws on the cone. For GEObox 25 and 29, the remaining transverse joints now have to be assembled, and then you can start attaching the fabric. Now take the fabric out of the package and unfold it. All of the loops have to be on the outside, with the seams facing outwards. Therefore, grasp into the open side of the fabric and fold out the bottom loop. First, insert the 8 transverse joints in the top and middle loops. Then insert the round tube in the bottom loop. Now the upper transverse joints have to be affixed to the inside of the support bracket. The middle transverse joints are next. Fix the round tube in the bottom loop onto the cone of the box with the aid of the mounting consoles. Now the fixing loops on the fabric have to be pulled through the holes provided at the angles of the cone and tightened. Finally, the filling system will be mounted. First, affix the filling coupling onto the filling neck with the aid of the tension ring. Then join the elements of the support plate and screw them together. Now you can screw the support plate onto the basic frame and mount the prepared filling necks and the filling guide. Cover the filling tubes with the fabric necks and affix them with the fastening clamps. Finally, the covers are attached. Adjust the 4 angle stayers to room height and tighten the screws. Assembly is now finished. Don't forget to tighten all of the screws. You can now start to fill the GEObox with pellets.